breaking news, very important news for you. Tomorrow, Monday at 5 p.m., we are going to have our sketching review, which means your sketch, my feedback. And you probably are asking yourself, hey Luciano, but that was on Tuesday. You're right, but Tuesday I can't. So, because Monday afternoon I'm free, I've decided not to miss the week appointment with your sketches and my feedbacks, and therefore it's going to be tomorrow or Monday. Please don't forget, tomorrow, Monday 24th at 5 p.m. French time, we are going to have our sketch review. Your sketch, my feedback. I already received quite a lot of sketches, so there's some really nice stuff, and the good news is some of you are improving. So this makes me very, very happy, but it has to make you very, very happy, okay? And before I say goodbye and have a good weekend and an excellent Formula One Grand Prix, listen to this music that I have in the background that I just made this morning, and let me know in the comments what you think. Ciao!